You've got a little bit of this crypto, a dash of that stock, maybe even some precious metals rattling around in your digital pockets. But trying to juggle all those different platforms, those different wallets, those different exchanges. It's a headache, right? You're probably asking yourself, isn't there a simpler way? A place where you can manage it all, without needing a PhD in finance or a secret decoder ring? Well, that's where Uphold steps in. So, the big question is, what exactly is Uphold used for? Let's break it down. Essentially, Uphold is a digital money platform. Think of it as a bridge, connecting the world of traditional finance with the exciting, sometimes bewildering, world of cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. It's designed to make it easier for you to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of assets, all in one place. Now, what makes Uphold different? It's all about accessibility and versatility. For starters, Uphold supports a huge variety of assets. We're talking cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course, but also traditional fiat currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP. Plus, they've got precious metals like gold and silver, and even US equities. That means you can diversify your portfolio without hopping between a dozen different apps. One of the key features that makes Uphold user-friendly is its anything-to-anything trading. This means you can directly convert between any of the supported assets without needing to go through intermediary steps. Want to trade some Bitcoin for gold? Done. Want to convert your euros into US stocks? A few taps, and you're set. This simplicity is a major draw, especially for those who are new to the world of digital assets. But it's not just about trading. Uphold also offers a range of other services. You can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly. This makes it a handy tool for international transfers, bypassing those hefty bank fees and slow processing times. They also offer a debit card, which allows you to spend your digital assets in the real world, just like you would with a regular debit card. Imagine paying for your groceries with Bitcoin or using your gold holdings to settle a restaurant bill. Pretty cool, right? Security is another big focus for Uphold. They use advanced security measures to protect your assets and your personal information. This includes things like two-factor authentication, robust encryption, and regular security audits. In the Wild West of digital finance, security is paramount, and Uphold takes it seriously. Now, who is Uphold for? Well, it's for anyone who wants a simplified way to manage their digital and traditional assets. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking for a versatile platform or a newbie just dipping your toes into the world of crypto, Uphold offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features. Think of it this way, you're building a digital financial toolbox, and Uphold is the multi-tool that lets you handle a variety of tasks without needing a separate tool for each one. You can manage your investments, send money, and spend your assets, all from a single, easy-to-use platform. Of course, like any platform, Uphold has its pros and cons. It's important to do your own research, understand the fees, and consider your own financial goals. But if you're looking for a streamlined way to manage your digital assets, Uphold is definitely worth checking out. So, Uphold is used for simplifying the management of diverse assets, facilitating easy trading, enabling international transfers, and offering a debit card for real-world spending. It's about bringing together the disparate parts of your financial life into one accessible place. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.